Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see solutions of exercise 14.1 of lesson 14, factorization. What is mean by factorization? When we factorize an algebraic expression, we write it as a product of factors. These factors may be numbers, algebraic variables or algebraic expressions. So that is called as a factorization. In short, what is factorization means? You have to take out the common factors, that is the highest common factors of the given algebraic expression, that is called as the factorization. So we will come to know when we start the exercise. So let us start with exercise 14.1. Find the common factors of the given terms. It is 12x and 36. So 12x split in its factors, in its prime factors. So always you have to write the factors in prime numbers. So you can write 6 2s are 12, but 6 means 3 2s are 6. Okay. So it is 2 into 3. 4 3s are 12 multiplied by x. So these are its prime factors. And 36 is 6 6 are 36, but you have to write in prime numbers. So it will be 2 3s are 6 and again 2 3s are 6. Okay. So the common factors of these are 2 here and one more 2 and this 3. So this all total together you have to multiply it, that is 2 into 2 into 3, it gives 12. So 12 is the common factor of these two terms, algebraic expressions, that is 12x and 36. Similarly here 2y and 22xy. So 2y means 2 into y. 22y means 2 into 11 into y. So the common factors are 2 and y. That is the common factors. This one 14pq and 28p square q square. 14pq is 2 into 7 into p into q. 28p square q square is 7 4s are 28, but write in prime numbers. So it's 7 into 4, 2 into 2 and p into p, q into q. So here 2 and 7, p and q are the common factors, that is 14. 7 to is 14, pq is the common factor. Now in this one, 2 into x here, 3 into x and 2 into 2. Okay. So common factor here, it should be common if the three algebraic expressions have been given, then it should be common in all the three. If 2 has been given, it should be common in both. If 3 has been given, it should be common in 3, all the 3. Here in this case, no such numbers have been or no such variables are common. So you have to write it as 1. Nothing common means it is 1. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So it is 1. Now in this question here, 6a, b, c. It is 2 3s are 6. Into a into b into c, then it is 24ab square. So it is 6 4s are 24, so 2 3s are 6 and 4 is again 2 into 2 into a into b, and it is third one is 12a square b. 12 is 3 4s are 12, so it is 2 into 2 into 3, 4 3s are 12 into a into b. Now which number are common on all the three? It is 2 here, then 3, then comes a and then is the b. Okay. So the common factors are, that is 2 into 3 into a into b, that is 6ab. So 6ab is the common factor in all the three given algebraic expressions. Similarly solve this. 16x cube. 16 is 4 4s are 16, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and x cube is 3 times x. Minus 4x square. So minus 4 you can write it as minus 1 into 4. Okay, 2 into 2 and x square. 32x is 2 raised to 5. 2 5 times gives 32 into x. So the common factors are here 2 into 2 into x, that is 4x. In this one 10pq is 2 into 5 into p into q, 20qr. So 2 into, that is 4 into 5 qr, and 30 rp. 6 into 5 into r into p. 6 means 2 3s are 6. So the common factors are 2 and 5 here, and the variables are not common. They are common in 2 of the numbers, but not in all the 3. It should be common in all the 3 here. Then only that is taken as the common factor. Okay, so only 2 and 5 are common in all the 3. So the common factor will be 10. Now in this one, let us see. It is 3 into x into x into y into y into y. 10 is 2 5s are 10 into x into x into x, and y is 2 times. 6 is 2 3s are 6 into x into x into y is 2 times, and z. So the common factors here are 3 is not there in both the things, 2 is also not there. Then comes x here, x is common in all 3. The second x is also common in all the 3. Y is common in all the 3. The second y is also common in all the 3. So the common factor here, it will be x square into y square, that is x square y square is the common factor in all these 3 variables. So this way you have to do the factorization. Now you have to know the tables for that, and you can see which common factor you can find out. Simply you have to remember, you have to find the highest common factor between the numbers, and for the variables you have to see the least power, the variable having the least power here. You can see x square, x cube and x square. So x square is the least power, so you have to take out that common. Okay, so that is called as the highest common factor. Now in this question 2, it is binomial. Now you have to find the common factors between the binomial. Now I am going to do it directly. This is 7x minus 42. From 7 and 42 you can see it comes in the table of 7. So 7 is the common factor here. So if you take out 7 from here, x is remaining alone, then put the minus sign, and 7 6 are. So 7 6 are 42. Now if you open the bracket, you get this question again. So this is the answer. This is 6p minus 12 cube. So 6 is common. P minus 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 and cube. Okay. 7a square plus 14a. So 7 is common, and in the variable, see a square and a is there. So a raised to 1 is the least factor. So that you have to take out common. So 7a, and the remaining one is a here, and plus, and 7 2s are 14. This a we have taken it outside. Now from this one, 16 and 20. Now 16 and 20 comes in which table? It comes in the table of 4 and z cube. So z you have to take common. So this will be minus 4 4s are 16. This z you have taken. Then put the sign of plus here. 4 5s are 20. From this z cube, single z is out. So the remaining is z square. Question 5 is 20 L square m plus 30 A L m. So the common will be here 10, and in the variables it will be L and m. That is the least power they are having. So 10 2s are, L square is out, L is out from L square, the remaining is L, m is out, plus 10 3s are 30, A we have not taken, and Lm is out. So this is the answer. 5x square y minus 15xy square. So 5xy is common, x minus 3y is the remaining. In question 7, 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. 5 is common, the remaining is 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. Now in this one, all the number expression has 4 in common. So 4 and a is also there. Take the least power of a as common. It will be minus 1. You don't need to write 1 here. And a square is there. 1a is, you have taken out, 1a is remaining. Plus 4a, then b is remaining. Then minus 4c is remaining, and a you have taken as common. So this way you have to solve for the binomial. This one, now it is trinomial or polynomial you can say. So now which numbers are common here? You can see x is there. Take the least power of x. take the least power of y, and z is also there in each of the terms, so z is also common of the least power. So now here it will be x square, so x is remaining, y and z you have taken out, plus x is there, y square, 1y you have taken, 1y is remaining, z is taken out, plus xy you have taken out, z, 1z you have taken out, 1z is remaining. So this is the way of doing factorization for a multinomial. Okay, this is a x square y plus b xy square plus c xyz. So xy is common in all the three terms. So the remaining is ax plus by plus cz. Now in this one, this is also multinomial, polynomial actually. There are 4 terms. Now in the 4 terms, this is first, second, third, fourth. Now in this 4 term, either the first 2 can be taken as common, first 2 and the third and fourth. From that you have to take the common. So the bracket that you get should be equal, then only your answer is right. Let us see. Now in this one, x square and xy, x is common. So remaining is x here plus this y, this x is out and y. The remaining is y from the second term. Then plus here, in these 2 terms 8 is common and the remaining are x plus y. Since the variable are not common, they cannot be taken out. So x and y. Now you can see these 2 brackets, this one and this one should be equal, they should be same. Then only your answer is right. So those 2 common bracket you have to write it once, and the remaining term that is outside the bracket along with the sign write in the second bracket. This is your answer. So this way you have to factorize a polynomial. Now if you see this one, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So from these 2 terms you get 3x as a common factor. The remaining is 5y minus 2. If you multiply this 3x inside, you should get these numbers. See, 5 3s are 15xy and 6x. Then from here nothing is common, that means 1 you can take as the common factor. Then 5y minus 2. See now here these 2 brackets are same. So that means your answer is right, 5y minus 2, and the remaining right in the second bracket. Now in this one, ax plus bx minus ay minus by, x is taken as common, the remaining are a plus b in the bracket. Here minus and y is taken as common and the remaining will be a plus b. Now how a plus b? Because minus has been taken as common, so inside the bracket, if you put the bracket, it will be plus. If you open the bracket, it will be minus ay and minus by. Now a plus b and a plus b common bracket write one time and x minus y in the second bracket. Now sometimes what happens, the common terms does not come from the first and the second. So you have to rearrange the numbers so as to get the bracket, same bracket. Now here in this question, I am making one change, that taking this second term to the last term and shifting these 2 terms on the second place and the third place, and the number 15 which was earlier on the second place, I am moving it to the 4th place. Okay. So now you can take it common from these 2 terms, that will be 3q 5p plus 3, and from these 2 5 as the common factor, 5p plus 3. So 5p plus 3 is the common factor and 3q plus 5 is the another common factor. Similarly in this question here, if z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz, so I have to rearrange these 2 terms. 7xy I have to write it at the last and xyz I have to write it in the third place. So nothing is common in these 2, so it will be 1 here, z minus 7, and from these 2 terms it will be minus and xy will be common and this will be z minus 7. Now if you open the bracket, it will be xyz, minus will be plus and 7xy. Okay. So you have to check it out first before writing the answer, that whether the question is correct or not. On opening the bracket, you are getting the same answer or not. Now z minus 7 is the first term and 1 minus xy is the other term. is the other common factor. So this was all about your exercise 14.1. If you have any query, you can drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.